Hi everyone. Today's my dinner is super special gobi masala for roti. This is very easy and fast recipe. Let us start. Take a kadai, add 4 tablespoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Once cumin fried, add nicely chopped 4 to 5 onions. Fry them. Meantime, take a mixer jar. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of cumin, powder it. I don't have the cumin and coriander powder, that's why I am preparing this. And take required green chili and 2 inch of ginger and 7 to 8 garlic. Grind it. You can grind roughly like this. Now onions change the color to transparent. Now add ground green chili, ginger and garlic. Fry them until raw smell goes away. We can prepare this within 10 to 15 minutes. If you have weekend guests or friends, you can use this rich recipe and add handful of cashews into the mixer and 4 to 5 red color onions. I kept it few minutes in hot water and tomato and grind finely. Now fry the onions and masala. Now add required masalas. Already powdered cumin and coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Fry them 1 or 2 minutes. It will give very good taste for fried by these masalas. Now add ground cashew and tomatoes. Paste. Fry for 4 to 5 minutes. It will dry little bit, thickness will reduce. When oil separates starting, add 1 full cup or 100 ml of beaten curd, thick curd only I beaten. Fry another 2 to 3 minutes. Now add if you have curry leaves, you can add anytime to this curry. Now add already boiled. I just kept it for 15 minutes in hot water with salted water. Now we add that gobi. Before using the gobi, you should keep in hot water. You should put 1 teaspoon of salt and add gobi and leave it for 15 minutes. Now add required salt and 1 tablespoon of garam masala, half to 1 cup of water as per requirement. Mix well and close and you can cook for few minutes, that means 3 to 4 minutes, or you can cook without lid 4 to 5 minutes. Adjust the consistency as per your choice, and finally add 1 full tablespoon of kasuri methi, that is fried fenugreek leaves, dried fenugreek leaves, and finally fresh coriander. That's it. Curry is ready now. This is very rich and healthy. We added cashew for this recipe. If you have cream, you can add 2 tablespoons of cream at the end of the recipe before adding the fresh coriander. And perfect thickness. You can serve with roti or jeera rice or anything. My pet's birthday today. That's why this is eating chocolate and ice cream. It's 3 years completed. I'm serving with roti and sliced onion. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more delicious videos and give a like and comment. Thank you for watching.